Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual's Protocol. We're gonna see the analysis for this coin from the daily, of course, micro level, and we're gonna start on the time history where we are looking at a potential 1 and a large wave for very sideways, starting to get a very low probability here, because very likely that we are in a wave C rather than 5 here as an A, B, and a C or W, X, and Y because this is a zigzag with a very extended move here. And this wave 4, because it is very long as alternation for wave 2, so highest probability right now is the W, X, and wave Y, especially that this triangle here is still unfolding. Very likely that we are in a wave E, meaning it's a zigzag wave A, zigzag wave B, C, D, and an E here. The wave E is finishing up soon. But if we take the invalidation of triangle, the green, it's a red flag. Actually, gotta be careful because we might dive full 1 to 1 Fibonacci level as an A, B, and a C here, and then pushing. If the wave E stays ranging above the invalidation, and this is what wave E normally loves to do, most trickiest one, because it gets very close here to the low to invalidate the triangle for the E here, takes the 886, and even before few cents start to the upside again. Meaning, if we are on the 1 hour chart here to track this wave E here after the wave D top there, we are looking here at an ABC as well, where you have an A and 3 waves for wave E and starting to unfold an impulse for wave C1 to 3, wave 4, no invalidation taken, and you would like to see a wave 5. Now, the wave 5 has to be normally an impulse 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4 was supposed to finish up here as a wave 5, but when it comes the bear market to an end, it's not gonna give you this very easily, guys, because of course the psychology start to end as bear, and the psychology of bullish it's start to come in earlier always before finishing the impulse properly, and this is exactly what unfolds an invalidation for this impulse, meaning transition to something as an ending diagonal unfolding there, where you would start to see up and downs, where the psychology transition starts to appear at the end and then pushing towards the upside. Therefore, what I'm looking for here is this ending diagonal, wave 5, 4, 3, 4, and a 5. Preferably to not take the 0.46 to finish the wave E without the invalidation of the triangle. And this is what I'm talking about. Like it might happen, guys, without taking the low, starting to push towards the upside. Now, the wise thinking here is, of course, to start to make your entries as bullish here, and in case that you get the invalidation here for triangle, okay, it's a red flag, preferably to have a stop loss. Those, of course, our trade setup educative one, of course, and no financial advice that we give in our only members video normally and very well explained. But this is the idea how we think strategically, of course, point in those videos. So make sure to join us with the, of course, YouTube video members by clicking the join button. So for virtuals, we're looking still for a wave E very likely in an ending diagonal and pushing for higher. If we take the low, very likely to hit the blue box. Yeah, preferably to see a signal of strength then at that time in case we invalidate the triangle. If we get a signal of strength, then yeah, maybe we start to call something to push for higher, but be careful. This is also a possible target in case of invalidation. That was it for virtuals. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.